Imagine a world where fraud is a thing of the past, banks are bypassed, and industries are revolutionized. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy. It's the reality of blockchain technology. From cryptocurrencies to smart contracts, blockchain is reshaping finance, business, healthcare, and even voting systems. But is it the future of everything or just overhyped tech jargon? Let's break it down. Picture a digital notebook that everyone in a network has an identical copy of. Whenever a new entry is added, every copy updates simultaneously, and once written, it can't be erased or changed. Blockchain operates on three key principles. It's unchangeable, transparent, and decentralized. Think of it like a Google Doc, but no one can secretly edit it without the entire network noticing. That's blockchain in a nutshell. Let's break down how blockchain works in 4 simple steps. First, a transaction occurs. Perhaps you send money or sign a smart contract. This transaction joins others in a new block containing data, a timestamp, and a unique cryptographic hash. Thousands of computers then verify this block through a process called mining or validation. Once approved, the block is added permanently to the chain, making it unchangeable and secure. No banks, no middlemen, just trust through technology. Blockchain is already disrupting industries worldwide. In finance and banking, it enables instant, low-cost transactions without banks. In healthcare, it secures tamper-proof medical records for better patient care. Voting systems benefit from transparent elections with fraud-proof digital ballots. Supply chains gain real-time tracking of products from source to consumer. Even gaming and NFTs are transformed with digital assets you truly own. No fakes, no duplicates. And that's just the beginning. Like any technology, blockchain has its limitations. Scalability is a major issue. Bitcoin handles only 7 transactions per second, while Visa processes 24,000. Slow. Energy consumption is another concern, as mining requires massive amounts of electricity. Bitcoin alone uses more power than some countries. Regulation and adoption are also hurdles, with governments still deciding whether to embrace blockchain or fight it. These are real obstacles, but solutions are being developed, including faster blockchains, greener technology, and clearer regulations. This is just the beginning. Experts predict blockchain will soon revolutionize identity verification, creating a world without passwords where your identity is secured on blockchain. Smart contracts will eliminate the need for lawyers and middlemen, executing themselves automatically. A decentralized internet could emerge, where you own your data, not tech giants like Google or Facebook. Digital currencies are also on the horizon, with governments testing blockchain-powered money that could replace traditional cash. So what do you think? Is blockchain the future of everything or just another overhyped tech trend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this blew your mind, you need to check out my deep dive into cryptocurrency secrets. Click here to watch next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on game-changing tech insights. See you in the next one.